Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Holiday carbon monoxide risks families should know. This holiday season, the New Jersey Poison Control Center has helped care for 58 people exposed to carbon monoxide, CO, a deadly gas that is colorless, odorless, and invisible. CO poisoning can cause flu-like symptoms like headache, dizziness, and nausea, but at high levels it can lead to loss of consciousness or death. Cold weather increases CO risk because families rely more on heaters, generators, and other fuel-burning devices, and even short-term misuse can be deadly. Prevention measures include installing CO detectors on every level of the home, checking batteries regularly, and never using gas-powered equipment indoors. Experts recommend carrying a portable CO detector when traveling, as some vacation rentals may not have working detectors. CO poisoning sends thousands to the ER each year, and symptoms may include headache, dizziness, nausea, chest pain, and confusion. If a CO alarm sounds or poisoning is suspected, get everyone outside immediately, call 911 if anyone is unresponsive, and contact the local Poison Control Center for medical guidance. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.